Hello everyone, welcome to Quiltster Tutorials. My name is Deborah and today I'm going to show you how to share a project to the Quiltster Gallery and then to Facebook. When you subscribe to Quiltster, you gain access to the Quilt Planner, which is where you can customize any pattern in our pattern library with any fabric, whether it's from your stash or ours. And when you create projects, they are saved in your account under My Projects. And you are the only one who can see your projects, so you can create as many as you like. If you would like to share what you've created with the public, you can do so by finding the project that you want to share. And when you're in My Projects, each project you've created has a little 3-dot menu on the project card. Click on that 3-dot menu and you will see a list of options. One of them is Share Project. And then it's going to ask you to confirm that you do want to share this to the public Quiltster Gallery. So go ahead and do that again. And that's all you need to do. Once it's shared to the gallery, you'll have a little shared flag on your project so that you know which ones you have shared. And then you can visit the gallery. And again, this is a publicly accessible page, and there you'll see your project. Anyone can come to this page, click on your project, and get a nice big image of what you've created. And they can see which pattern you've used. And if they want to, they can create their own colorway. Obviously, if they're not a subscriber, they would need to do so first, but then they can get information about the pattern. It is important to note that the gallery projects do not share yardage information. So that is something that is private to you, that you access in your account, but the public won't be able to. They just can see what you've created. If you wanted to take it a step further and share your project to Facebook, the first thing that you need to do is share it to the public gallery as I have just shown you. Then open your gallery project. And underneath the project, you'll see Share Tools for Social Media. So you can click on the Facebook link if you are sharing it to Facebook, or if you're sharing it anywhere else online, or if you want to share it in an email, click the link button. This will send the recipient a link to this page where they can view your project. So let's go ahead and share it on Facebook. So I'm going to click the Facebook button here. Here I am. And I'm going to say whatever you want to say, you can say. So check out my super cool project. And I do ask that when you share something to Facebook that you tag Quiltster's Facebook page. So that's at Quiltster Inc. And as you type it out, Facebook will offer you suggestions on who it thinks you are trying to tag. And this is us here. When you see this pop up, as you're typing out at Quiltster Inc., you need to click on it, and that will create a hyperlink, and it's highlighted in blue, just like that. That means you've done it correctly. The next thing you need to do is make sure that your post is public so that we can see it. So once that's done, go ahead and post to Facebook. Then when you go to your Facebook page, you will see that your project shows up just like this. So anybody that's following you, this will show up on their wall because they follow you. So that means they can click on it, and what it's going to do is it's going to send them to your gallery page just like this. Okay? And also, because you tagged Quiltster, it's going to show up on Quiltster's mentions where people have shared projects. You'll see it there as well. That is why we want you to tag us, so that it shows up in this feed as well. Okay? So that is how you share a project to Facebook. You first need to share it to the gallery and then share the gallery page to Facebook. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please post something in the comments. That's very helpful for us as we plan future tutorials. You can find more tutorials on our blog. just go to quiltster.com and click on blog here at the top. These are all tutorial videos and blog write-ups for you to view. If you haven't subscribed to Quiltster.com, I invite you to do so now to join in the fun. And remember, every quilt tells a story. The best ones begin with Quiltster. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.